Hi friends, in the last session we have started that tuple data structure, right? So we have started tuple data structure and we observed the different, what is the tuple and what is slicing and we all the things we observed, right? We almost all we covered 9 points we covered with respect to theory and practicals, right? So today we are going to discuss about the tuple creation. Okay, today we are going to discuss about a tuple creation. So there are four topics: tuple creation and accessing elements of tuple and a tuple versus immutability. And if we are time having, we can start mathematical operators for tuple also. Okay. So first we have to focus on tuple creation. Okay. First we have to focus on tuple creation. Tuple creation. Okay. First one is a tuple creation means normally. Let me. Okay. So the first thing is here. The first thing here is t is equal to first time taking. Okay, t is equal to first time taking print t. Here I am creating first t is equal to empty tuple. Next I am asking whether it is a tuple or not. Okay, next I am asking whether it is tuple or something else like. Okay, next observe the output now. So we can say this is a tuple. When we can say this is a tuple. Next thing. So first way. Next, we can create a tuple in this way also. Okay, this is nothing but typecasting. Okay, this is nothing but typecasting. So t is equal to empty set by representing parenthesis and t is equal to tuple of function. T is equal to tuple of function. Now observe here. So in this case also it is giving the same output, right? This is the second way. This is the second way, right? So the next one, single valued tuple. Okay, single valued tuple. Single valued tuple. Single valued tuple. Suppose here I'm doing is t is equal to representing parenthesis 10 comma, okay, 10 comma print of t. Next print type of t. Print type of t. So what I'm taking first, the statement is a t is equal to tuple. Okay, t is equal to tuple. Next I'm printing the t and printing the type of t. Okay, so observe here, t is equal to, this is the way. This is nothing but single valued tuple. Okay, this is nothing but single valued tuple. See, first way, second way, and third way. Okay, okay, third way, single valued tuple. Right? Fourth way means if you know the elements. Fourth way, by providing all elements. Providing all elements. By providing all elements. By providing all elements. T is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Okay, t is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. T is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. So observe the output now. So this is also we can say this is tuple. Okay, this is also we can say that it is a tuple. Okay. So normally in how many ways? Four ways. First one is by giving simple parenthesis. Second one is by giving function. Okay. Third one is by using single valued tuple. And fourth one is by providing all elements. Okay, by providing all elements. Right? So these four ways we can create a tuple. Make sure by using four ways we can create a tuple. If you want to create this empty tuple means by giving simple parenthesis or simple tuple function. Okay, by giving simple tuple function. Right? Next thing. Okay, next one is accessing elements of tuple. Accessing elements of tuple. Elements of tuple. Accessing elements of tuple. So normally we can access the elements of tuple by using two ways. Okay, we can access of we can access elements of tuple by using two ways. By using two ways. One is indexing indexer and second one by using slicing. By using slicing. First one is by using index, second one is by using slicing. So first one we have to go for the first one by using index. Okay, by using index. So first one is by using index means first of all normally I have taken tuple. Okay, normally I have taken tuple and I'm giving some more elements 67, 80, 90. Okay, so I'm taking 9 elements. I'm taking 9 elements. So we have taken 9 elements. So next what we have to do, our focus is on indexing. Okay, our focus is on indexing. So how we can access the elements of tuple means print t of 0. Okay, print t of 0. Print t of 0 means 10. Print t of 5. Print t of 5. So print t of 5 means what? 50. So how I'm saying 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sorry. Here 60. So this is nothing but positive direction. So in the same way minus 1 t of minus 1 print negative direction. Negative direction. Print negative direction. Negative direction t of minus 1 means what is that? 90. Okay, t of minus 1 means what? 90. Next, print t of minus minus 9. Okay, t of minus 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Okay, and here 10. So next, print print t of what I am asking 100. Okay, t of 100 I am asking. Next here what I am asking t of minus 20. T of minus 20. So first observe here. Anyway, he from whenever we are executing this program, so it's going to execute up to here. Next, it's going to give error because 100th element is not available in this tuple. Okay, 100th element is not available in this tuple, so it is going to give error. So that is what index error. Okay, that is nothing but indexing error. Okay, observe here. So index error, right? 1060. If you observe here, 1060. So 1060. Next, I am keeping this code in comment. Next, what I am doing means a negative direction. Okay, here what I am doing means a negative direction. Negative direction means what I am asking t of minus 1, t of minus 9. And here we have to get 90 and 10. So t of minus 20. Okay, t of minus 20 means here t of minus 20 there are not there. So observe here. So 90, 10 we got. But last one t of minus 20 means we got tuple index out of range. Okay, tuple index out of range. Clear, right? So this is nothing but we can access the elements by using indexing concept also. Okay, we can execute this concept by using index concept also, right? So the next one is by using slicing. Okay, next one is by using slicing. So normally slicing means already we know that from last string concept onwards we are working. Okay, from last string concept onwards we are checking. So observe here what I am doing means t of 2 colon 5. T of 2 colon 5 means 5 is the end step. Okay, 5 is the end step means 2 to 4. 2 to 4 means 2. This is the second element, third element, and the fourth element. 2, 3, 4. Okay, these three elements now we are going to get the output, right? 30, 40, 50. Okay, 30, 40, 50. Next, next thing is next thing what I am doing means I am not giving start index and end index. Okay, I am not. See, let me write here then syntax. Okay, let me write here syntax. Start, end, and step. End means end minus 1. End means end minus 1. If I am not giving any start and end means it's going to give the total output. It's going to give the total output. Next, print t of what I am asking means I'm not giving start value and I'm not giving end value and I'm asking second element, every second element. Okay, now observe the output. So 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. Okay, this is the last one. This is nothing but the last one. Next thing. So t of what I'm asking, no start value, no end value, and giving minus 1. So in this case, we are going to get the elements in the reverse. Okay, in this case, we are going to get the elements in the reverse. So if you observe here, starting 90, 80 like is there. So here start started from 90 from starting onwards. Okay, this is nothing but accessing elements by using slicing concept. Okay, so and one more thing, if you observe here, in this case, this type of cases, it won't give any error. Okay, in this case, it won't give any type of error. Just if the element is available, it's going to consider. If it is not there, it's going to simply ignore, but it's not going to give any error. Clear? So if you are having any questions, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Okay, so the next thing. So next what I am doing means T of, okay, T of what I am giving, only 9 elements here are available, but I am asking start value I am not starting, but end value I am giving this much. Okay, so make sure slice operator never raise any error. Okay, slice operator never raise any error, but index will raise error if you are accessing the elements and out of range. Okay, so here the thing is slice operator never raise any index error. Slice operator never raise any index error. Okay, this is nothing but slicing concept. So if you want diagrammatic with representation, just please make sure observe the previous sessions where I have in the string concept and a list concept I have clearly explained that slicing. Okay, slicing and indexing with a diagrammatic representation, there you will get much clarity, right? So the next thing is tuple versus immutability. Okay, tuple versus immutability. Okay, in the last session I have explained that when I have explained data structure, list versus immutability also I have explained. Okay, list versus immutability also I have explained. Whether you remember or not, I don't know, but if you want, please cross check once the previous. Okay, where I have explained the list versus mutability, because list is mutability. Okay, list follows mutability. Observe here what I am doing means I am taking the elements. Okay, I am taking the elements. Next here what I am doing means next here what I am doing means okay, elements are available. Here first what I am doing, T of 1, T of 1 is equal to 85231. Okay, T of 1 means 85321. So instead of 20, I am trying to replace with 85231. Okay, instead of 85231, I want to replace with 85231. Okay, so observe the output now. After that, I'm trying to print the value of t. After that, I'm trying to print the value of t. Type error. Okay, type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay, tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay, so this is nothing but tuple versus immutability. That means once we create a tuple object, we cannot change its content. Okay, so we can say that once we create tuple object, we cannot change its content. Next, hence tuple objects are immutable. Tuple objects are immutable. Okay, hence tuple objects are immutable. Hence tuple objects are immutable. Okay, so now this is what we have discussed as part of today's session. That is tuple creation and accessing elements of tuple and tuple versus immutability. Okay, three concepts we have discussed that. What is that? Creation of tuple and accessing elements of tuple and tuple versus immutability. So that is nothing but how many ways we can create a tuple? Four ways. First one is empty tuple means by using single parenthesis or tuple function. Next means a single value tuple. Okay, single value tuple means one element should be separated by comma. Otherwise, it's going to treat as int. Okay, otherwise, it's going to treat as int. So in the last session, we observed clearly. And the next one is by providing all elements. So this is the way we can create the elements if you know the elements in advance. Okay, if you know the elements in advance, we can create the tuple by using in this way. Next, accessing elements of tuple means accessing elements of tuple means by using index and by using slicing. Okay, by using index and by using slicing. Indexing means so this is the way. And if you are accessing the out of range, okay, if you are accessing the out of range, it's going to give index error with respect to positive or negative if you are accessing the element out of range. Okay, next. Next, so slicing means so this is the way. Syntax means start and end minus one step. Okay, start end minus one step. So next, here if you are accessing the elements out of range in the slicing, okay, slice operator never raise any index error. Okay, slice operator never raise any index error. Okay, next, tuple versus immutability. Okay, tuple versus immutability means we have taken this tuple. Okay, we have taken this tuple. Next, I'm trying to replace the element of first element. Okay, I'm trying to replace the element of this one to 85321, 85231. Okay, it's giving error as type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay, tuple object does not support item assignment. That means final conclusion we can say that once we create a tuple object, we cannot change its content. Okay, once we create tuple object, we cannot change its content, and hence tuple objects are immutable. Okay, hence tuple objects are, we can say that, immutable. Clear, right? So this is nothing but tuple, creation of tuple, and tuple versus immutability, and accessing elements of tuple. Okay, in the next session, I'm going to explain about mathematical operators for tuple and important functions of tuple and tuple packing and unpacking. Okay, these concepts I'm going to explain about in the as part of in the next session. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Thanks, friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching for the first time. Thank you.